David, multiple sources close to the case confirming that information tonight. We're told the families of the victims received 2 letters. The first laying out the terms of a plea deal, and the second saying that Kohberger accepted.
And it is highly, highly rare that a prosecutor for such an egregious case would agree to a plea deal.
In a deal to avoid the death penalty, 30-year-old Bryan Kohberger is set to plead guilty at a hearing Wednesday to the murders of 4 University of Idaho students. Those students, Madison Mogen, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin, stabbed to death on November 13th, 2022 at an off-campus house. Weeks after the killings, authorities arrested Kohberger in Pennsylvania, matching his DNA to the DNA discovered from a knife sheath at the crime scene. Kohberger's trial was expected to begin on August 11th in Boise after a judge declined his lawyer's request for a delay just last week. Retired King County Judge Timothy Bradshaw said news of this plea came as a surprise.
Folks looking at this trial and this awful case were expecting some answers and some resolution, perhaps justice.
In a social media post, Gonsalves' family wrote, "We are beyond furious at the state of Idaho. They have failed us. Please give us some time. This was very unexpected." As part of the deal, sources tell KGW Kohberger must plead guilty on all 4 murder counts and waive his rights to appeal. However, as explained by Bradshaw, this isn't a done deal. In Idaho, judges may reject plea agreements, although that is rare.
If the judge does not conclude those things, that it is not voluntary, that it's a product of some sort of coercion, then yeah, the judge can reject it. The judge has an affirmative duty to make that determination.
And law professor Deirdre Bowen says Kohberger, who's stayed silent at hearings since his arrest, could change his mind.
This is not resolved at all. He could go to that hearing and say, actually, I don't plead guilty.
According to an attorney representing the Gonsalves family, they've asked prosecutors to delay the change of plea hearing again set for Wednesday to give them more time to travel to Boise. We'll keep you updated as we learn more. David, back to you.
Alma, appreciate your reporting on this tonight. Thanks so much.